Good morning, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend. This is 8th of July, Monday today, and let's discuss about gold in today's video. So I will start with the daily time frame in today's video, and we'll see what we had seen in last week and what we can expect from the market today. So if you look at the daily time frame, we are witnessing this bull flag kind of pattern. It looks quite intact. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. This is the third touch. Top band is also very well respected. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. Okay, and for a long term, I can still think that we can stay in this range for a longer time, for a week, two, three, or month, and then we can either break it to the upside or to the downside. But there are possibilities that the kind of market we are witnessing and the bullish rally, we can expect it to break to the upside. This is what happened before as well. Let me show you the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame, and if you can see this consolidation around here, sorry, this is the consolidation. Gold was staying in this range for a long time. If you talk about the time from 2020 to 2024, for around 4 years, it's been into inside this range, and it was not looking good. It was only consolidating for a longer time. Like if you can see, this is the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and bottom band got this three touches. So it was a kind of consolidation, and then after the breakout, you can see recently got a breakout, and this breakout was quite promising, and it moved up around. You can see from here to here, it moved up around 15% since that breakout, and this is what happening here as well. As you can see now, after breaking out of this consolidation, now we have this consolidation again, and you can see this is the consolidation, and we may expect, like, if you are someone who want to sell gold for a swing trade, then 2465, 2455 will be the level where you can sell it, and at least you will get 2300, so around 150 points you can get here. I'm expecting this range to be remain, like this range will be there for a longer time, and it can stay inside this range for a longer time. Okay, so this 23 24 55 24 60, and this support level around 2300 2295 will be our key support area, and I'm expecting gold to stay in this range for a longer time, for around 1 month, 2 month, or maybe until and unless we are not getting a very surprise data or news from the market, it can stay inside this range for a longer time. And finally, if you're breaking up, then we can see a new move around 2600, and if you're breaking below, then this liquidity zone to the left side will get erased, and we will see this 2200 again, which looks unlikely so far. Looking at the intensity of this bullish candle, it looks unlikely. Okay, talking about the 4 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame, the gold is, sorry, I have marked some key levels and zones. Yeah, so this is the 4 hourly time frame, and if you can see this Blake uptrend channel, it looks quite good. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, but the top end has only one touch so far, so it is entirely speculative. This trend, sorry, this trend line looks this trend line looks speculative so far, unless and until we are not getting another touch on the top end. But this is what I look, and this is what can happen. We have this support around here, so gold may easily test around this level, then continue moving to the upside. Okay, and this is also a nice support over here, so this may also follow, and these are going to be our key support area for this week, and the level would be around 23 48 2352. So it could be somewhere around 2350. This level will be very important for the day, and to the upside we have this 2400 level, which will be very important. And I see gold trading inside this range for this week. And talking about this week's key economic event, we have CPI data, which will be a kicker. And from last couple of months, we are witnessing this thing that CPI moves the market most, other than any other data. Like if you talk about NFP, ISM service PMI, ISM service PMI, manufacturing PMI, from all the datas, CPI brings most volume in the market other than any data. So like this will be very good. This is going to be an eventful week today. This is going to be a very eventful week, and we could witness a huge volume in the CPI, until and unless I'm expecting gold to stay inside this zone and trading around that level. Okay, so this is the daily and 4 hourly time frame. We will be switching to the separate chart for 1 hourly time frame. So this is the 1 hourly time frame, and I see these two supports which I have mentioned with this green color. So this could be our potential support zone, and the resistance would be around 2392, 2390, and this is also 2385 was our support area which got a break, and let me show you what happened in this Asian session when we got a break. This was the support area. If you look at this support area, this was a nice support area which got a break to the downside here and back tested around this, and that's where it's moving to the downside, and it can easily test around this area around 2360, then start a new leg up. Okay, so I still think it's just a correction, and it is a heavy bullish market in gold. So it looks like a correction so far to me, and you can buy the deep around 2360, 2365. This is where you can buy, and also this would be our resistance. If you want to market, this is going to be our resistance for the day, 2385, and 20 2390 92. Okay, this was a nice zone, which was a support, got back tested here. This was a support, got broken, and then back tested, and then it's moving to the downside. Okay, and it has a potential to reach up to 2360, 65 around this level, then start a new leg up. Okay, and talking about my key levels, these are going to be my key levels for the day. 2391, 2385 will be our key resistance areas for the day, and I expect a reversal, and this 2373, 2365 will be our support zone for the day. Okay, and conversely, if we are breaking above this resistance level, then it can move to the upside, and we can see a new high. Okay, so it's all depend on the technical confirmation. Like if you are getting a candle close above 2385, then we will be switching back to the longs. Okay, and like a structure break will be a bullish confirmation. Let's say if you're getting a structure break around here, let me try to form it for you guys. Yeah, so if we get a structure break, then also we can look for a long entry, but the body should be closed like this. Okay, if you can see this 15-minute candle, this is how a proper confirmation to take long entry into the market. You can see this is where we can see buyers are dominating the market. So this kind of confirmation which we look for to get entry into the market. Okay, so 91, 95, and 85 will be our resistance for the day, and it can move within this range for today. And these are just support and resistance zone. I do not have a clear bias for the day. We may see like it may within a range for a time being, and then this is what I see in gold. Okay, so that's it for the day, and you can mark those key levels for you. These are my key levels for the day. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.